Hi, it's Chris. Here's another application for the new RYOBI USB Lithium batteries. The power brick has 3 Type A USB 2 amp ports, and it has a Type C adapter that charges the battery, and you can use solar to do that. If you touch the top button, it tells you with 4 lights how charged the battery is. And if you hold the button down for 3 seconds, it turns the light on. If you hold down 3 more seconds, it turns it back off. Here are some of the components that you need. The 3D printed base, the cover for it, the battery that you get with your tools, some contacts, a little button I made for and a USB adapter, which I'll put a link to. The base has a place for the spring clips to go in. It has for terminals here. It has a place to put the USB board. Fits here. It's got some mounting holes, and it has a place for a Type C charging plug. It has a cover that goes on top of it. So it has a location so you can see the 4 indicators of how charged the battery is. Location for a button here that lets you turn the flashlight on and off. Well, let's get started making it. You can use your new RYOBI rotary tool to grind down the contacts, and I have a more detailed video that tells about how to do this. I'll put the link up here. The ground down connectors go in these little slits here. See, the connectors came through here, and next we'll put the screws in. I've got some 18 gauge silicon braided wire here, and I'm going to just put some connectors on the end. I've got some 8mm M2 screws that have a 1.5 head on them, and I'm just screwing those in to use as the terminating posts. I'm using the M4 driver with the little nut, and I've got the wires connected here. Get those on. I've got the nuts on, and I've bent the terminals up a little bit, and I've got the printed circuit board that goes in, and then I just have to solder the wire to these little pads on either side here. I've got the wires cut and stripped. So I've got the wires soldered on, and then we can push this down into place. I've got this teeny little screw that I'm going to use this screw into the plastic here. When you put the battery in, you can just tap this little button here, and it will tell you how charged it is. Now we just have to put the cover on. I 3D printed a little button so that it's a little easier to turn it on through the cover. And then the cover just slides onto the part here. going to put a touch of super glue to hold the case on. My USB tester is plugged in. You can see the lights are on. I put some labeling on there. As usual, I'll put the free 3D prints up on Prusa or Thingiverse so you can take advantage of them. Well, I hope you found this helpful. If it was, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.